Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'm going to try entering Norland's giveaway. Norland's, what is it, 600? And I received this nice little red Lockwood lock from HV Logic. And I'm gonna pick it for you, Norland. So you hit 600 subscribers. Congratulations, my friend. You very well deserved it. Yes, you got amazing videos here, amazing picker. I'm picking crap like this and you are picking all the good stuff, which I'm not able to. And I can't even find the right key for this lock. There it is. Alright. So, first I like to try and rake it really quickly. See how it goes. Raking is easy. And now I'm gonna single pin pick it, hopefully. You got this little wafer discs here, or what it is, what else, however you call them. And there we go. Alright, Nolan. Pretty quick entry. Thank you for doing the giveaway. Hope you like my little red Lockwood. Thanks HV for the lock. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.